This is Chuck Reed with Kriete Truck Center. Here we've got a 2021 MACK PINNACLE day cab. This unit's got a 505 horsepower MP8 engine mated to an Eaton 18-speed manual transmission. 213-inch wheelbase, 14.6 steers, 46K rear suspension, full lockers. If you've got questions on this unit or any others in our inventory, talk to Chuck.